Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll look at the chunk to be difficult to analyze. As I'm sure you know, analyze is a verb which means to look at something in detail, usually in order to try to explain it. We can analyze many different things, data, results, and figures, for example. We can also analyze the reasons for something or the impact of something. Sometimes, however, it can be difficult to analyze something. For example, it's difficult to analyze the reasons why the global recession happened in 2008. In some cases, we might replace difficult with impossible. It's impossible to analyze the impact of a natural disaster immediately after it has happened. Because it can be difficult to analyze data, we might use analyze with another verb, such as try or attempt. For example, scientists are attempting to analyze the results, or I try to analyze the data, but I haven't had any success. I hope that helps you to use the word analyze more correctly. And one final note, analyze is spelt with an S in British English, but with a Z in American English. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends or colleagues, and comment if you have any questions.